Had you bought just $100 in Bitcoin, you would have made $1,100 in 24 hours. How? Trendline trading, and I'm going to break it down for you right now. My name is Mike, and I teach you how to trade right now. If you want to make money in the markets, stocks, currency pairs, and cryptocurrency, you come to the right place. Trend lines are used by traders to determine whether a currency pair, stock, commodity, or cryptocurrency is trending up or down. We buy or go long when price is trending up, and we sell or short when price is trending down.
During an uptrend, price makes higher highs and higher lows. During the downtrend, price makes lower lows and lower highs.
Our job is to connect the wicks, 3 to be exact. A confirmed trend line has at least 3 touch points, and the more touches, the stronger the trend.
In an uptrend, we draw the trend line by connecting the swing lows. This example is looking at pound USD on the 15-minute frequency. In a downtrend, we draw the trend line by connecting swing highs. This example is looking at Bitcoin on the 15-minute frequency.
What's great about trendline trading is it works for Forex, cryptocurrency, stocks, and all other tradable assets. Trendline trading is also super simple. You make money in 2 simple steps. Either price bounces off the trend line or price breaks out of the trend line. Remember, a confirmed trend line has 3 touch points. If after the 3 touch points, price bounces off of the trend line, then the trend continues and we enter a trade. Let's head back to the charts to see 2 examples.
For Bitcoin, price action bounces off the trend line and continues the downtrend. We enter the trade after the bearish candle closes. We look to the left and set our take profit target to the next support and resistance zone. We set our stop loss slightly outside the trend line. We watch our candles closely and successfully exit the trade 24 hours later.
If you're interested in learning more about support and resistance, check out the video link below in the description. Our risk-reward ratio is 11-to-1, or we made $11 for every $1 we invested.
Similarly, for pound USD, price bounced off our trend line and continued the uptrend, achieving a 5-to-1 risk-reward ratio based on our take profit and stop loss targets.
If you're also interested in learning more about trade management using take profit and stop loss targets, then check out the second video in the description below. In both examples, we made money by following the trend. The trends collapse. Uptrends turn into downtrends and vice versa. The good news is we can make money on the reversals as well. Do me a favor, if you're enjoying this video, like and subscribe below. Help me help you. Now, back to our regularly scheduled programming. If the first step of our trendline trading strategy is entering a trade when price bounces off of a trend line, then the second step is entering a trade when price breaks out of a trend line, which is exactly what happened with Apple.
Apple was trending down. We count not 3 but 5 touch points of the downtrend trend line. After the 5th touch point, it takes 9 candles on the 15-minute frequency for price to break out of the trend line.
A breakout occurs when an asset's price moves above or below a trend line. Because we're in a downtrend, the breakout occurs to the upside.
Just like the pound USD example, we enter after the bullish candle closes above the breakout. We set our stop loss below the trend line, and we set our take profit to the next support and resistance zone, which just happens to be where our downtrend began.
24 hours later, we once again exit the trade profitably, risking $1 to make $6 or a 6-to-1 risk-reward ratio. In the instance of Apple, we made money when price action broke out of the trend line. Trendline trading works both ways. Price could bounce off the trend line and continue the trend, or price could break out past the trend line and lead to a trend reversal. We want to take advantage of both patterns, and the rules are simple. Wait until your trend line has at least 3 touch points and then enter when price bounces off the trend line or breaks out past the trend line. If you found this information helpful, all I ask is that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. It takes 2 seconds and 2 clicks, and it means so much to me. Remember to check out my other videos, and thank you for watching.